Hey, how's it going? I'm Ago271, but you can call me Julie. So let's get right to this everyday makeup tutorial. First, we're going to take our primer and massage it onto our face. Make sure you just put enough to cover your whole face. Then take your foundation and grab a fluffy buffing brush. Put the foundation on the back of your hand and take the smallest amount of it with the brush. Then buff the foundation on your face from the neck or jaw to the forehead. The reason why I don't use a lot of foundation is because the foundation I'm using is already full coverage and matte, and I want my skin to still look like skin, even with foundation. Then get your beauty sponge and dampen it, then pat it all over your face to blend the foundation. With a concealer that is in your shade, take a flat brush and pick up a small amount of concealer. Pat it under your eyes to hide dark circles. Do the same to places where you have discoloration or blemishes you want to cover. Take a concealer that is one shade lighter and take a small amount of it with the same flat brush and pat it under your eyes to brighten and add more coverage. Get loose powder and your damp beauty sponge and dip the tip of the sponge into the powder and get the smallest amount of product. Pat that in places where you know you will crease and in areas that will get oily. Whatever product is left in the cap of the powder, take a big fluffy brush and tap it on your face to set the foundation and concealer. For brows, since I use a powder duo, you can use whatever you have on you. With an angled brush, dip into the lighter shade of the duo and follow the shape of your brow from the tail to the front. Make sure to feather out the front to make your brows look natural. Then dip into the darker shade and put emphasis on the tail before going back in with the lighter shade to blend the two shades together. spoolie brush and comb your eyebrow hairs in place. To clean up, get your concealer and a flat brush and carve under your brow. Use a small amount of concealer. Eyelids by using concealer or an eyeshadow primer, then blend it out with a beauty sponge. With a fluffy brush, dip into a shade that is similar to your skin tone to act as a base. Sweep that all over the top and bottom lid. Fluffy brush, dip into a slightly darker red-brown shade and place that on the outer and inner corner of your top lids and on the outer corner of your lower lid. This is our transition shade, then blend that out with the base shade. Then with a flat brush, dip into a dark brown shade and pat that on the outer corner and inner corners of the top lid, then on the outer corner of the bottom lid. This is to add more depth to the look. Blend that out with the transition shade until there are no harsh edges, then blend everything once again with the base shade. Emphasis on your aegyosal, if you have one. Take the dark brown with a flat brush and draw on your aegyosal. Then blend it out with a base shade and fluffy brush. Take a smaller flat brush and dip into a golden shimmery shade and sweep that on the center of your top lid. Then from the inner corner to the center of your bottom lid. With a golden glitter liner, draw close to the waterline of your bottom lid and then draw from the inner corner to the center. top lid and blend it out with the golden shimmer shade. Top and bottom lashes. Then apply mascara. I use two types, one with a big brush for my top lashes and one with a small brush for my bottom lashes. And the eye look is complete! For contour, dip a fluffy brush into whatever contour product you use and contour your cheekbones, jaw, and forehead. And oof, big yikes to my muddy contouring. To contour your nose, dip a small fluffy brush into your contour product and start by lightly drawing from the front of your bottom of your brow down the side of the bridge of your nose. Then draw a circle around the tip of your nose. To add a pout to your bottom lip, lightly brush contour product under your bottom lip. Take a bronzer and bronze the places you have contoured other than your nose and bottom lip. Get a big fluffy brush and dip into a peachy orange shade. Place the blush on the apples of your cheeks and higher, then across your nose, then on your chin. With a flat fluffy brush, take a rose gold highlighter and highlight your cheekbones above your brows and on your chin. With a small angled brush, highlight the tip and bridge of your nose and your cupid's bow. Also, highlight your inner corners and your brow bone. Grab a pinky nude lip liner and line the edge of your lips. Then, get a slightly darker nude lipstick and fill in the rest. edge of your lips with your finger. Finally, set your face with setting spray. Accessorize, maybe wear a snazzy jacket, and the whole look is complete! It was fun doing my makeup with you guys, but I gotta go. Cha!